The Magic Garden.
The Magic Garden.
The Magic Garden
The Magic Garden
was in a school playground.
was in a school playground.
It was very pretty.
It was very pretty.
Sunflowers
Sunflowers
and roses
and roses
stood high against the wall.
stood high against the wall.
There were also marigolds,
There were also marigolds,
poppies and pansies.
poppies and passes.
The sunshine fell on this garden
The sunshine fell on this garden
more than on any other,
more than on any other,
and the flowers danced and sang happily.
and the flowers danced and sang happily.
They said to one another,
They said to one another,
"We have hundreds of little gardeners."
"We have hundreds of little gardeners."
They were the children from the school.
They were the children from the school.
One sunny morning,
One sunny morning,
the flowers were talking to the birds.
the flowers were talking to the birds.
"I love all the children,
I love all the children,
but I love the dear little ones
but I love the dear little ones
most of all,"
most of all,
said a poppy.
said a poppy.
"I like them to bring their watering cans
I like them to bring their watering cans
and water my thirsty roots."
and water my thirsty roots.
"Yes,"
Yes,
said the marigolds.
said the marigolds.
"The boys are good to us too.
The boys are good to us too.
They dig the ground so well.
They dig the ground so well.
We love the little children,"
We love the little children,
said a tiny bird.
said the tiny bird.
"They are kind
They are kind,
and they bring bread for us."
and they bring bread for us.
All the flowers said,
All the flowers said,
"We must work hard
"We must work hard
to make our dresses very pretty,
to make our dresses very pretty,
for the children will be here soon."
for the children will be here soon."
The sun said,
The sun said,
"I will help you also,
"I will help you also,
for nothing pleases me better than
for nothing pleases me better than
to see the children running about
to see the children running about
in the golden sunshine."
in the golden sunshine.
Suddenly,
Suddenly,
the children came out laughing and singing,
the children came out laughing and singing,
and the flowers stopped their songs
And the flowers stopped their songs
to listen to them.
to listen to them.
"Oh,
Oh,
look at the tall sunflower,"
look at the tall sunflower,
said one child.
said one child.
And the sunflower lifted its head
And the sunflower lifted its head
very proudly.
very proudly.
Another child said,
Another child said,
"I love the marigold in its golden dress."
I love the marigold in its garden.
The marigold smiled happily.
The marigold smiled happily.
It was indeed a magic garden
It was indeed a magic garden
because it had fairies too.
because it has fairies too.
They danced and sang sweet songs
They danced and sang sweet songs
which only the children could hear.
which
which only the children could hear.
After a time,
After a time,
the fairies came out dancing
the fairies came out dancing
and talked with the children.
and talked with the children.
Their dresses were made of flowers
Their dresses were made of flowers
and the wings of sunshine.
and their wings of sunshine.
The magic garden was quiet that night.
The magic garden was quiet that night.
The flowers and birds were asleep
The flowers and birds were asleep
and dreaming of the next day
and dreaming of the next day
when the children would come again.
when the children would come again.
Adapted from the Fairy Garden
Adapted from the fairy garden
by Margaret H. Bolton.
by Margaret S. Bolton.
New words:
New words:
magic,
magic,
garden,
garden,
gardeners,
gardeners,
playground,
playground,
sunshine,
sunshine,
golden,
golden,
dreaming.
dreaming.
Reading is fun.
Reading is fun.
Why did the flowers
Why did the flowers
love the little children?
love the little children?
Why did the birds
Why did the birds
love the children?
love the children?
Name 5 flowers
Name 5 flowers
growing in the magic garden.
growing in the magic garden.
What sounds could the children hear
What sounds could the children hear
in the garden?
in the garden?
Talk time.
Talk time.
Roses.
Roses.
I like roses.
I like roses.
Most roses are red.
Most roses are red.
Some are white.
Some are white.
Some are yellow.
Some are yellow.
Are there blue roses?
Are there blue roses?
I have not seen any blue roses.
I have not seen any blue roses.
Which one is your favorite flower?
Which one is your favorite flower?
Learn its name in English.
Learn its name in English.
Say aloud.
Say aloud.
Little.
Little.
People.
People.
Purple.
Purple.
Happily.
Happily.
Sleepily.
Sleepily.
Proudly.
Proudly.
Slippery.
Slippery.
Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Pretty.
Pretty.
Team time.
Team time.
Activity.
Activity.
Make a flower scrapbook.
Make a flower scrapbook.
Collect 5 flowers.
Collect 5 flowers.
Put each flower carefully
Put each flower carefully
between the pages of an old book.
between the pages of an old book.
Place some heavy books
Place some heavy books
on top of the old book.
on the top of the old book.
Leave it for some days.
Leave it for some days.
Stick the pressed flowers carefully
Stick the pressed flowers carefully
in your scrapbook.
in your scrapbook.
Write the name of each flower.
Write the name of each flower.
Word building.
Word building.
Name 2 words in each petal
Name 2 words in each petal
which you see in a garden.
which you see in a garden.
Insects,
Insects,
flowers,
flowers,
tools,
tools,
birds,
birds,
trees.
trees.
Let's write.
Let's write.
Imagine you have a big garden.
Imagine you have a big garden.
What would it look like?
What would you look like?
Draw a picture here.
Draw a picture here.
What would you like to grow
What do you like to grow
in your garden?
in your garden?
Write 3 sentences
Write 3 sentences
giving the names of the flowers
giving the names of the flowers
that you might like to grow
that you might like to grow
in your garden.
in your garden.
In my garden,
In my garden,
I would like to grow.
I would like to grow.
In my garden,
In my garden,
I would like to grow.
I would like to grow.
In my garden,
In my garden,
I would like to grow.
I would like to grow.
Teacher's page.
Teacher's page.
This is your page
This is your page
which you can use as a reference.
which you can use a reference.
All the teachers can think of situations
All teachers can think of situations
to motivate students.
to motivate students.
Suggestions for teaching,
Suggestions for teaching,
making classes interesting
making classes interesting
and stimulating,
and stimulating.
management,
Management
as well as outlines of each unit
as well as outline of each unit
are given on this page.
are given on this page.
Please use these pages
Please use these pages
as much as you can.
as much as you can.
Themes,
Themes:
the child and nature,
the child and nature,
the world around,
the world around,
appreciation of beauty in nature,
appreciation of beauty in nature,
suggestions for classroom teaching.
suggestion for classroom teaching.
Read the pre-reading questions aloud
Read the pre-reading questions aloud
to introduce the theme and mood of the poem.
to introduce the theme and mood of the poem.
Read the poem aloud
Read the poem aloud
with appropriate actions.
with appropriate actions.
Ask the children
Ask the children
to look at the picture
to look at the picture
and describe it.
and describe it.
Read the story aloud slowly
Read a story aloud slowly
and with expressions.
and with expressions.
Encourage the children
Encourage the children
to look at their books
to look at their books
as you read.
as you read.
Read it aloud many times
Read it aloud many times
and on consecutive days.
and on consecutive days.
Repeated reading helps the child
Repeated reading helps the child
to understand the language
to understand the language
and to learn to read.
and to learn to read.
For team time,
For team time,
make children form 5 or 6 groups.
make children from 5 or 6 groups.
The song When the Sun is Shining
The song when the sun
can be followed by
can be followed by
When the Rain is Falling
when the rain is falling
and
and
When the Wind is Blowing.
the wind is blowing.
Children can start a small garden
Children can start a small garden
in pots
in pots
or outdoors
or outdoors
and grow seeds.
and grow seeds.
This activity can continue
This activity can continue
over several weeks.
over several weeks.
Encourage children
Encourage children
to make a flower scrapbook.
to make a flower scrapbook.
Help them to label the flowers
Help them to label the flowers
and leaves
and leaves
which they collect and press.
which they collect and press.
Use the blackboard
Use the blackboard
to put down new words.
to put down new words.
The child can have a notebook
The child can have a notebook
for new words.
for new words.
New words can also be put up
New words can also be put up
on chart paper
on chart paper
or on the walls.
on the walls.
As the activity progresses,
As the activity progresses,
you can change the charts
you can change the charts
to accommodate word families
to accommodate words families
like adjectives,
like adjectives,
adverbs,
adverbs,
nouns,
nouns,
prefixes and suffixes.
prefixes and suffixes.
You can put up tenses,
You can put up tenses,
opposites,
opposites,
etc.
etc.
Put up new words,
Put up new words,
about 10
about 10
each week.
each week.